Welcome little lights to Little Lights Tiny Steps. Have you ever tried to build a giant Lego castle or play a game all by yourself? It is hard. Today we are talking about unity and teamwork. We are all different pieces of a big puzzle, and when we fit together in peace, we show Jesus to the world. Today's lesson is about unity and being on the same team. God made each of us unique, but He wants us to work together in love. Our golden lesson comes from Psalm 133:1. How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Unity makes life pleasant and strong. Let's look at the early church right after Jesus went to heaven. Music becomes inspiring. The first Christians were totally different people. They came from different places and had different jobs, but they shared everything. They ate together, prayed together, and took care of each other's needs. They did not argue over small things. Their focus was loving God and loving others. This unity made their group incredibly powerful. The early church showed that unity is not about being exactly the same. It is about having the same goal, showing Jesus' love. Think about your own body. Our eyes and your feet are very different, but they work together so you can walk and see. Your family and your friends are your team. When we choose to forgive quickly, listen carefully, and celebrate each other's strengths, we create harmony. We are showing that we are all on Team Jesus. Division is the opposite of unity. It is when we get mad over silly arguments or refuse to play with someone because they are different. Our tiny step for unity is about choosing to be a peacemaker. When a disagreement starts, be the one who suggests a solution or who remembers the golden lesson to be kind. Don't focus on who is right. Focus on what brings peace. A tiny step challenge. Today, find one person you might disagree with, sometimes a sibling or classmate. Instead of arguing, try to find one thing you can do together or agree on. Be the one who helps fit the puzzle pieces together to make a beautiful picture of unity. A direct message for parents: unity for kids requires teaching the value of shared purpose and quick forgiveness. This lesson highlights the early church as a model of people prioritizing relationship over differences. Encourage children to participate in shared family goals and discuss disagreements not as battles to be won, but as opportunities to practice reconciliation and finding common ground. Thank you for this adventure, little lights. Remember our golden lesson: how good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Keep shining bright and taking your tiny steps of faith. See you next time.